Children's water parks are the go-to destinations for families with young children. Just like the Cairns Esplanade Lagoon, water parks are a community space that invite people to stop, relax, and enjoy some recreation time. We can see this motivation behind Scentre Group's newly created water park, scooter track and barbecue area called The Backyard at Coomera, Westfield in Queensland. In October 2018, StoneSet permeable stone was used in a unique application to emulate a natural creek bed. Creeks naturally filter out the water flowing downstream as it trickles underneath an exposed sandy creek bed. StoneSet achieves a porosity rate of 103 litres per square metres per minute, effectively creating a fully permeable surface. StoneSet use a 6mm stone to achieve this balance, optimising strength, the number of bonds between the stone, with porosity, the size of the voids between the stone. So once the resin sets, multiple cross-link bonds form, and the stone forms one solid matrix strong enough to withstand 15-tonne loads such as trucks. StoneSet achieved an ideal match of form and function for the backyard, natural stone recreating a permeable creek bed and emulating a peaceful and relaxing environment in the shopping mall, just metres from the hustle and bustle of the food court. Here's a fantastic example of how StoneSet is not only fully porous, but highly slip resistant and durable for these children's play parks. Areas under constant exposure to UV and permanent submersion in chlorinated water. Specifiers can head to our website to see other great projects such as the Sydney Observatory, Road Medians in Perth, Admiralty House in Kirribilli and Port Arthur in Tasmania.